All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get on into it. We're going to take a nice little look at Ripple XRP today. Please take note that Ripple and XRP are not the same thing, but I like to say Ripple's XRP because they are running this thing right now, man. They're really chatting it up right now. I'm proud of them guys. Bring a tear to my eyes, especially when I'm holding XRP in my own portfolio. Now, first and foremost, this is not no financial advice. Please do not do what I do. Please, I'm just asking nicely with all niceness that I have. Do not do what I do. This is just for your entertainment. Speculations only. Now, let's go ahead and get into it. XRP, what is XRP for one? It is the the next one world currency. Now, bullshit, man. XRP, it just does cross-border payments really fast, really efficient, and very secure, effortlessly. It's just like fractions of a penny. You can send $1 billion across the world from country to country. And they're trying to make it to where banks can do that because they obviously move trillions of dollars a day. So if XRP gets their hands into that little liquidity pool right there and start moving all that money on the XRP ledger, what do you think the price is necessarily going to do? Now, the thing about XRP is being in a lawsuit with the SEC, thanks to my man Gary Gensler, but who cares about that guy? Funny enough, let's take a look at Brad Garlinghouse, which is the CEO of Ripple that uses XRP crypto token for its company's use case. Now, the SEC has retracted its request for the court to classify tokens like Solana, Cardano, and Polygon as securities in its lawsuit against Binance. The reason this is because Trump and Robert F. Kennedy Jr. both said that they are pro crypto and they are the two candidates that are most likely going to be winning in this election. I have no hope for Pamela or what's her name? Kamala Harris. That bitch, man. I ain't got no hope for her at all. Forget her. I'm done with the Democrats. I'm not even a political guy, but I'm just sick of it. They ruined the country with all this unnecessary spending, with all these programs and military expeditions and all this stupidity. We need a change. But like I said, man, they said they are going to be more involved in crypto. And how much more involved? Well, Trump said first thing he's doing is firing my man Gary because he's been absolutely against crypto. And that is not what his regime is about to be about. I'm with it. Fire that motherfucker, Trump. I ain't lying, bro. I'm with it. Fire that guy. I don't know why you haven't done it yet. I don't know why anybody haven't done it yet. He's hurting the pockets of American investors, but he says he's doing it for their better good. Like, who are you, bro? Who are you? Who asked for this? But it doesn't matter because as you can see, he's pulling back all of his he's trying to undo all the BS that he's caused. Just because he know that his time is pretty much up. So he better get in the likings of the people or else he's going to lose his job very, very freaking fast. And that's what we need to happen. This man lose his job and they appoint somebody else as the CEO of the SEC. Well, not the CEO, but the chairman of the SEC who is pro-crypto, who can actually help regulate these laws and actually put down guidelines for everybody to really understand and move around with the law in a more man, I'm drawing a blank right now. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, but y'all know what I'm trying to say, man. Y'all already know what I'm trying to say. It's gonna be bullish, but we go back to XRP real quick, and we know for a fact that yes, the lawsuit has been killing the charts, but it's okay. It's okay, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because we are pretty much, moving back up on this uptrend that we was in right here. Boom. This was the uptrend that we was in for the longest. And honestly, you can massage this. I've seen some people do it more so like this, right? Just kind of massage it on up there. But nonetheless, we have been in an uptrend for the longest since March 9th of 2020. Since then, we have been in an uptrend nonstop. Even while being under this lawsuit, really doesn't even matter. We've been killing it, love it, and we just recaptured this little marker right here on the weekly chart. We just recaptured our trend line, and if I'm not mistaken, we have 2 closed candles above it. Wonderful, very much bullish. Now the FOMC meeting was today as well, and no surprise here, but we're gonna stay flat. We're not gonna cut rates, we're not gonna raise rates, we're just gonna stay where we at, which is bullish for the markets. It's giving everybody a for sure notice, like, okay, cool, they ain't about to start chipping away at the markets right now. We can keep bidding, we can keep money flowing into the markets without us being too scared or too hurt, which is great for everybody who is invested into this game changing opportunity right here. So we just recaptured, like I said, we've pretty much been riding it all the way back from June. After the 20th of March in 2020, we bounced off of it, came back and retouched it right here in what was that? Right here at the end of December, and ever since June of 2022, we just been riding it. Of course, we had our nice little pullbacks and blow ups, whatever, blah blah blah. But we just been riding this thing, man. I've been riding that thing, and then we had a small little deviation period outside of it, which it's sad, but it happens. And it would have been a great moment to go ahead and back the truck up some more. Go ahead and fill your bags up. If y'all was smart, you would have done it. But not everybody has that wonderful insight like your boy. But if you follow along with me, I'm trying to give you the sauce. You buy when it's low. Like whenever you see this thing, like we was up here, whenever you see this thing do like a 40 something, 50% crash, come on, buy some more. We was up here, we did another little crash, 50% something crash, buy some more. Just keep buying. Right here, look, 33% crash, just keep buying, because ultimately you would have bought all within this range right here. Let's say if you just continuously just been consolidating, like we pretty much been consolidating sideways but in the upwards trend. So if you would have just been buying within this range right here non-stop, your average price would probably be about 50 cents, right? About 50 cents. Now, just for fun, this is why you got to just keep buying, especially on the down moments, because on the way back up, you make even more money. So if XRP had the potential to go up here and did a full extension from the Fibonacci retracement to the 3618, we did a full retracement, that put us around $6, right? And I'm pretty sure that we actually can go past $6, just to let that be known, because we're not going to be stopped by no lawsuit. Like we were supposed to go past $3 right here, because our real all-time high is at $3 back into what was it, like 2 bull runs ago. Then this previous bull run, that's when the lawsuit hit, and it didn't even touch its all-time high. So we could technically measure this fib extension from the last all-time high, but we're just gonna do it from right here just for conservative reasons. But at an average, let's say at an average, you average everything that you bought right here and average out to be around like 50 cents, and you run this thing back up, you got a 12x. That's a 1,200% gain to your money. It's a 12x. Put $1,000 in there, you got $12,000 easily. And that's, like I said, that's within all this time if you put money in here. So how long of a time is this right here exactly? 2 years, 770 days. How many years is that exactly? I got my calculator right here. 770 divided by 365. That's 2.1 years. You had 2.1 years to come up with $1,000 just to invest into something, man. You really could have came up with about 5,000. So this is be for fun. 5,000 right here. I'm gonna do it on my calculator. I'm gonna speak it to y'all. 5,000 plus 1,200%. You would have been sitting at 65K. Once it reaches up to the $6 mark. And like I said, it has the potential to even go past that. Honestly, like what if like sitting from right here where we at right now, what if we go up to about $15? You do the 23 X, man. You be sitting at over 100K easily from a $5,000 investment of 2 years of investing and coming up with $5,000. People, you really gotta put aside a lot of that BS that y'all be doing, drinking, smoking, buying video games, like just for a while, just for like a year of your life. It's like 1 year of your life is probably gonna be 3% of your entire life. If you can just put aside your ego and just you wanting bullshit, just stay focused, stay on the grind, then listen, y'all can create some generational wealth. Cause like I said, this is just in one project right here that we talking about. There's thousands of projects that you can potentially make a lot of money in if you know what you're doing, if you're being smart with it. But it is what it is. It is what it is. XRP is gonna take off though. Trust and believe. I'm just letting it be known that Gary Gensler is about to get fired, y'all. This man's about to get fired, and once he's gone, XRP will not be in a chokehold no more. We will take the fuck off. Trust and believe. All right, now.